The Control WorkTool is a central location to access control for the unique Sprout hardware. This panel offers an additional way to toggle the projector, touch control for the mat, and projector lamp on and off. If a camera app has been launched, the camera settings section will be active, allowing control of gain, exposure, white balance, and flipping or mirroring the default view. Below that is the projected alignment button. Projector alignment should be done if the projected area is outside of the white area on the touchmat display. It should also be done anytime the Sprout is moved to another location or the lighting conditions have changed. Finally, the Restore Sprout Settings option will do a full reset of the Sprout services and restore Sprout-related Windows settings to the optimal configuration.